In this video, we are going to show you how to use Jolt to clock in and out, as well as use checklist, also known as list. First, we will go over how to clock in. Use a device provided by the City of Temecula. Please do not use your personal device. Once you have the device, open up Jolt. Now that you've opened up Jolt, click on the time clock icon from the top left of the screen. You're going to want to find your name. Select your name, and you're going to type in your employee ID. There's your photo. Once you type in your employee ID number, you can press clock in. It timestamps real time. Once you have successfully clocked in, click the login button. This allows you to use all of Jolt's other features. And now you can see that you're logged in the top right corner. Once you are logged in, you can actually look at your time card to see all of the hours you've been clocked in so far. If the app is not allowing you to clock in or out, it's probably because you need to focus your face in the screen. Once your face is focused, you'll see a green box appear around your face, and then you should be able to clock in by tapping the clock in button. Next, we will go over how to use regular checklist. Select List from the left-hand menu. Here you will see all of the lists that are available for completion, as well as the deadlines for when they need to be done by. Select the list that you've been assigned. All you need to do now is follow the prompts by tapping the screen. As you go through the items, tap on the gray check marks. They will turn blue once you have completed the item and they are time-stamped. Make sure that you are only checking off the boxes as you complete each task or item. For the purposes of this video demonstration, I am going to quickly breeze through. That way, you're not waiting here for 1 hour while I complete this list. Now I'm going to show you an example of how you can flag an item by leaving a note or taking a photo, which a supervisor can review at a later time. You're going to want to click on the 3 dots to the right of the item that you'd like to flag. Some items will allow you to select NA, which means not applicable. If the item does not allow you to select NA, it is a required item. Select Add Entry. From there, the keyboard will pop up, and you can type in a note. When you're done typing, tap the keyboard icon at the bottom of the screen to make the keyboard disappear. Now we're going to show you how to take a photo. Tap the photo icon. Aim your camera and take the photo by tapping the white button at the center of the screen, and select Save. Lastly, select the Post button. Finish all other items on the checklist. As soon as you have, press the green Submit button at the bottom right. After you've submitted your checklist, any other checklists that are applicable will show up on the right. If you see this screen, you're all done for the day. Another helpful tip is that you can force the Jolt app to save the progress that you've made on a checklist. Use your finger to scroll up and down from the menu on the left-hand side and select the Jolt icon in the far bottom left. Once you've tapped the Jolt icon from the bottom left, look at the top of the screen. It will say syncing down, and then update the time that it was last saved. There may be a time when you need to restart a checklist, or your supervisor assigns you to start a checklist that does not automatically pop up in the app. We are going to show you how to manually add a list. Tap on the plus symbol from the bottom right of your screen. Select the name of the list that you were instructed to complete, and then press Create. Follow the prompts like you would on a regular checklist. When you're done, you'll press Submit from the bottom right of the screen. Now we're going to show you how to clock out when you are done with your shift. Select Time Clock from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to find your name and tap on it. Type in your employee number and press Clock Out. Review the information on the screen. If it doesn't seem quite right, notify a supervisor. When you scroll and find your name, you'll see the gray out icon. This means you are clocked out. Whenever you get the chance, grab the tablet and test it out. Be sure to ask a supervisor if you have any questions.